Alright, so it's trying to snow out here, and the snow blower here, the Simplicity Sunstar, is almost ready. I got one more thing I'd like to do before the snow really gets here, and right there, the skids, the snowshoe, the skid shoe, whatever you want to call it, I took it off of this one, and I'm replacing it. Let me show you what I got going on. I'll show you the other one, and you'll see why they're being replaced. Pretty sad. So wait till you see what I'm replacing them with. This is my my replacement skid shoes. These things are called ArmorSkids. Really heavy duty. You'll see how thick they are. And I picked these up I think from Home Depot, but I know that the company ArmorSkids has a website that you can visit. I also decided to replace the bolts with stainless steel, so that did not come with it. And we're gonna clean this up here on the side of the snow blower, and we're gonna install the ArmorSkids. The important part, although, with these, see the hole here and the hole here, you got to measure the distance between the holes, like on center, so that you can get the right ArmorSkids to fit in the slots. So let's clean this up and get to it. Actually in pretty good shape. Now the website is saying this is a new design. You'll see one side's got a thinner point and this side's much thicker. And they're saying that this side here is for like concrete and sidewalks, and it'll deal with some cracks and maybe some uneven concrete. This side over here is if you're going to be moving snow on gravel. So I'm a mostly sidewalk kind of guy, so, and concrete and pavement. So we're going to put this on the port side, and this one will go on the starboard side. Alright, so because these are so beefy, if I put this in here all the way up, it's hitting the bottom of this. And I know that I could probably put a spacer out here to accommodate that. But before I deal with all that, I'm going to bolt these on, see what kind of clearance I have underneath, and it might be just enough. I'm actually going to keep them loose until I can get this thing down on the ground. Alright, so I've got the two skids just kind of hanging loosely on each side, and now I'm going to lower my snowblower attachment here, and but I'm going to put a little bit of a gap between my scraper blade down here and the concrete, so that I got just a smidge of a gap. So let me get some spacers here. So you can use pretty much anything you want for spacing. I tend to have, I just have these like paint mixing sticks that I picked up from Walmart, and I stack two of them together, and I put them underneath there, and that's all the clearance I really care for. Alright, so with those spacers in place, I'm going to tighten up my skids. Get a little bit of meat on here. All right, so there we are. We got the new ArmorSkids on the Simplicity Sunstar snowblower attachment. Bring on the snow.